Everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare M1 Finance and Wealthfront. Which one is best for automated investment? So if you want to grow a wealth on autopilot, choosing the right platform is the key. So let's begin with M Finance. M Finance is basically a hybrid robo-advisor and brokerage that lets you build custom investment portfolios using pies. It is great for self-directed investors who want automation with flexibility. Plus, it has no management fees. But the downside is it lacks tax loss harvesting. Compared with Wealthfront, Wealthfront is also a true robo-advisor that handles everything for you, including fee balancing, tax loss harvesting, and smart saving. It's perfect for a hands-off approach, but it comes with a 0.25% of management fee and less portfolio customization than M1 Finance. So at the end, if you'll ask me which platform should you choose? So if you want to go for a low fees and customizable platform, definitely go for M1 Finance. But if you want to go for a better, fully automated, hands-off investing with tax benefits, go for Wealth Upfront. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching.